In our lab today, we read small articles about the history of consent between participants and researchers, as well as past experiments that have ultimately influenced how research is conducted today.
One thing that we learned that we thought was really interesting and surprising was about the radiation experiments that occurred in the US between the years of 1944 and 1974. We had previously heard about the Tuskegee syphilis experiment or study, as well as the studies that happened in concentration camps, but we hadn't heard about this one before, so we thought it was really interesting. So between those years, the government intentionally dispersed radiation into the environment to determine the effects that it had on specific people. And this obviously goes against many research regulations that are currently in place, but obviously it wasn't as strictly regulated back then. We also learned through this that the Clinton administration created a committee that investigated these violations against human rights, and they urged for a public apology. The end.